Hey guys, welcome to my channel in phone tech. Let's compare Oppo A7 and Vivo Y95. First of all, talk about the display. Both have a 6.2-inch HD plus IPS display. Let's see the difference in RAM and storage. Oppo A7 has two options in RAM, 3 and 4 GB, and also two options in storage, 32 GB and 64. And other side, Y95 has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Now talk about the front camera. Oppo A7 has 16 megapixel front camera and Vivo Y95 has 20 megapixel camera. Let's talk about the rear camera. As you can see here, both have a same rear camera, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel with LED flash. Let's talk about the processor. Oppo A7 has 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 450 chipset, and Y95 has 1.9 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 439 chipset. Guys, now talk about other specification. Both have Android 8.1 Oreo, and Oppo A7 has 4G, and other side Y95 has dual 4G. Now talk about the GPU. Oppo A7 has Adreno 506 and Y95 has Adreno 505, and both have a fingerprint sensor on the back and both have a dual SIM. Now talk about the battery. Oppo A7 has 4230 mAh non-removable battery and Y95 has 4030 mAh non-removable battery. And now talk about the price. Oppo A7 expected price 230 in US dollar and 60,500 in India rupees, and Y95 has average price 280 in US dollar and 20,000 in India rupees. Thanks guys watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.